Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing why Windows Update is disabled on your PC. Open Services, MSC, and locate the Windows Update service. Confirm the service startup type and state. Its start value should be set to 2 for automatic. Next, open gpedit. MSC if available and follow computer configuration, then administrative templates, then Windows components, then Windows Update. Inspect any policies explicitly disabling updates. Finally, open regedit and check HKey local machine /system /current control, set /services /viewserv for mismatched values. To enable updates, first change the service startup type to automatic in services, MSC. After that, start the service by running net start viewserv from an elevated command prompt. If group policy is blocking updates, open gpedit. MSC and either disable the blocking policy or set it to not configured. On systems without gpedit, use local group policy changes or domain GPOs. For persistent service settings on older systems, use scconfig viewserv start equals auto to ensure the startup type remains automatic. If enabling the service is not enough, then reset update components and repair system files. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, and then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. Stop background intelligent transfer service and Windows Update service, then delete the software distribution folder to clear cached updates. Restart both services and retry Windows Update. Finally, if needed, use regedit to ensure HKey local machine /system /current control set /services /viewserv start equals 2 and reboot the computer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.